Hello everybody, welcome to week 10. This is our last weekly recording. Next week it's a review week. Actually weeks 11 through 13 are review, and week 14 is our final project. The project is worth 200 points, so definitely make sure you give yourself enough time and that you get it submitted in time. That would be a huge chunk from your grade if you don't get it turned in. Also for the review weeks 11 through 13, there's going to be 2 review assignments per deadline. So 2 for the Wednesday deadline and 2 for the Saturday deadline. So it's a little bit more involved than the previous weeks where you're just turning in 1 assignment. So make sure you give yourself time for those as well. All right, this week we're covering chapter 15 and then the review for unit 3. So just wanted to go over charts quickly. You've probably worked with charts. If you haven't, they're awesome. It's a great way to enhance a document and just be able to show something visually. So it's under the insert menu under chart. You have different options for charts, and then once you make a selection, I think your assignment asks you to do a 3D clustered bar chart. So once you click on bar, then you go over here and hover over it, and it tells you the title of the chart. So once you get to this point, it's going to bring up a little Excel screen. So the data itself is done in Excel, and then it's embedded into the chart. So for your assignment, you're only going to have 1 category of data. So if you just want to highlight them and delete them, then it goes to 1 category. I'm not going to change the numbers or the titles over here. It will for your assignment. It'll have you change those, but just so that we can keep this video brief, I wanted to just kind of show you quickly how to do it. So once you're done with the data itself, you can X out of it. I'm actually just going to move it because it's kind of messing things up when I close out of it. All right, now in the chart itself, to be able to make changes to the chart, you need to click on it and highlight it. So if you're somewhere else in the document, you'll notice it's not selected. If I come up here and click on it, then it is selected, and that's when it brings up our chart tool menus. If you hover over any part of the chart, it tells you the title of it. So that's our chart title. Those are our our series of vertical data, horizontal data. This is the legend. So if you click on any of those things, you can change it. You can change the title, and then there's additional options over here as well. So I'll let you kind of explore those in the assignment itself and work with those a little bit. Charts are very fun to work with, and there's a lot of amazing things you can do with them. So definitely take the time to work on those a little bit this week. All right, so let me open up Canvas. Oh my goodness, I had this open. I'm not quite sure what happened. I apologize here. Let me get logged in. All right, so had it to the right spot too. All right, anyway, here we go. All right, so midweek is chapter 15 is due. So the end of the week is the unit 3 kind of wrap up. So the performance document is similar to just kind of an assignment. It's the unit 3 application that I just wanted to briefly mention. We did something similar at the end of unit 1 where you created a document. I think that was your journal entry where you created a document and showcased 5 skills. So this is similar. These are the skills down here that you can choose from, but you're gonna create a handout about the plan of salvation that could be used in a lesson. So once you put those skills in there, make sure that you list somewhere what 5 skills you used. That's where people usually lose points, is they do the skills, but they don't list which ones were in there. So just kind of a heads up on that. If you have questions, let me know. Let me go back to our Word document here.